Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the microphone on your phone. Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. The first thing you need to do is turn off your phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. So if your phone is on, you need to turn it off just like I am doing. After turning it off, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We also need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to help loosen the dirt and then evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy a diffuser and a brush like this on Allegro or Amazon in a set just like this. And if you can't, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or at least not too hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. With the phone turned off, soak the brush thoroughly in alcohol. Take the phone in your hand. Here we have the microphone hole, and this is the hole we need to clean. With a steady motion in one direction, make 10 strokes. Then move the brush 10 times in the opposite direction. Next, do it 10 times toward the screen and likewise 10 times toward the back cover. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, so that the microphone is perfectly cleaned. Once you have finished cleaning, the microphone should look absolutely pristine and brand new. There is no microphone on the other side. This phone only has one microphone. So after cleaning this one microphone, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. And then you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.